Good.
I am starving.
I am hungry.
Better bring something good to eat. It's all I.
I could eat the hind end out of a gold river.
What
Man,
in
you
the
feeling? What? What
Good
the
old
heck is that thing?
Spam or something in this.
Hey,
This
what are
ain't
y'all
no-
doing?
We're setting
That
up the
ain't
tablecloth
me.
for our picnic. Picnic?
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 This ain't no picnic, son. This is a manhunt.
We're looking for outlaws, son.
Well, that may be. That's no reason to get our clothes dirty.
It is Mama Raising food.
Clothes dirty? What? Son, I haven't had a decent load of laundry done in over 3 years.
Well, that's because you're
Clothes dirty.
disgusting.
Why, you little
Hey,
illiterate tomato
Festus.
brain.
Hey, Festus, calm
I'll
down just
show
a
you a
minute
thing
there,
or two.
Jimmy.
Well, I sure do hope you brought your appetites, because before we left, we stopped and got a whole pound of honey roasted turkey rolls.
Turkey roll.
Turkey rolls.
roll.
Like this.
What the
I want
heck?
some
Right here.
spam.
I think he's
I
the
want
turkey
some
roll.
Spam. I didn't want no turkey rolls.
Look at that.
What? What in the tarnation? I can see right through this.
What is that?
Cool. We do that with one of those electric
Get
slicers.
that. I don't want it.
Go ahead.
Looks like some.
That's what he gets, that road runner.
Hey, what was that for?
Yeah,
he
it's
deserves
the
that.
other white meat.
Well, son, I don't know what you call meat, but that ain't meat.
What do you call meat then?
Well, I'll tell you one thing, Pilgrim. Meat's not something that's going to be ripped apart by the evening breeze. Meat's something that's going to be cut or chewed off to the bone. I'll tell you another thing. Meat is either red or brown, depending on how it's cooked. Now, occasionally, you might bite into a good piece of chicken or a pork chop, but at least it's something you can sink your teeth into. Shoot, son. If I put that scrawny thing in my mouth, it'd dissolve. And one more thing, Cupcake. Meat should be juicy.
John. What? This stuff's 97% fat-free.
Fat free?
Get a rope, Clint.
Gladly.